Imagine spending hours on a post, only to watch its reach drop to zero because an algorithm changed overnight. It's a frustrating reality for anyone trying to build an audience online. Your visibility can vanish without warning. On platforms like Instagram or TikTok, you are essentially renting space. The owner of the site decides how your content is distributed, and they can change the terms of your stay whenever they like, regardless of how much work you've put in. The platform, not the creator, ultimately determines who sees your message and when it appears. This leaves you vulnerable to sudden shifts that can suppress your voice or even remove your access to your followers entirely. Relying solely on these rented spaces makes any online business fragile. If you don't have a direct way to reach the people who follow you, you don't truly own your audience. Email changes that dynamic. While social media forces you to pass through a gatekeeper, an email list provides a direct, unbroken line between you and the people who want to hear from you. This direct access is why email remains so effective. On average, businesses see $36 in return for every dollar spent on email marketing. The cost of sending a message is tiny, and you're speaking to an audience that has already confirmed they are interested. Because you own that list, you gain predictable access to your audience. This stability is the foundation of a sustainable online business, ensuring you can reach your subscribers whenever you have something important to share. You build this list by offering a housewarming gift in exchange for a visitor's email address. This is called a lead magnet, a useful resource that gives someone a reason to join your inner circle. A great lead magnet might be a checklist, a template, or a helpful guide. The key is that it has to be relevant to your topic and solve a specific problem your audience faces. To manage these guests, you'll need specialized platforms like MailChimp or ConvertKit. These tools act as the infrastructure for your list, handling the delivery of your messages to hundreds of people at once, something a personal email account isn't built to do. These platforms also help you stay within international privacy laws. To follow global anti-spam regulations, every person on your list must have specifically invited you into their inbox by opting in first. A healthy list is built on this mutual consent. When people choose to be there, you protect your sender reputation and maintain the trust of those you're helping. When someone joins, the first thing they should receive is a welcome sequence. This is an automated series of a few emails that delivers their gift and introduces them to your world over the first few days, setting the tone for what's to come. Speak to your subscribers like you're writing to a friend. Emails that feel like a personal, one-to-one message generally perform much better than formal, corporate-style broadcasts. Your subject line is the most important part of that message. People scan their inboxes quickly, so you need to communicate clear value or spark genuine curiosity immediately, or your email will simply be ignored. Inside the email, keep things simple by using just one clear call to action. Whether you want them to read a post or check out a product, sticking to one request prevents the confusion of offering too many choices at once. By treating your subscribers as guests rather than just names on a list, you build long-term trust. When people feel like they're getting real value, they're much more likely to support you when you eventually have something to sell. To see if your guests are enjoying the experience, you'll look at a few simple numbers provided by your email platform. These metrics show you exactly how people are interacting with your messages. Your open rate shows what percentage of your audience opened your email. The click-through rate reveals how many people clicked a link inside. Finally, an unsubscribed rate shows how many people chose to leave, a natural way for the list to stay focused. As your list grows, you can start grouping your subscribers based on what they click. This allows you to send more specific emails to the people interested in a particular topic, rather than sending the same generic message to everyone. Monitoring these numbers takes the guesswork out of your marketing. You can see what works and what doesn't, allowing you to gradually improve your approach based on how your audience actually behaves. Social media is often a noisy, crowded environment. In contrast, an inbox is a focused space where you have the undivided attention of someone who explicitly asked to hear from you. Maintaining that relationship requires you to show up. If you stop sending emails, your list goes cold, and people will be more likely to unsubscribe or ignore you when you finally decide to reach out again. While no channel is entirely without rules, an email list is one of the most resilient assets you can build. It gives you a layer of protection so that your ability to reach your audience isn't tied to the whims of a social media company. To get started, just pick a service provider, Create a simple gift for your audience and start inviting people to join you. Every single subscriber you add is a direct connection that belongs to you.